Are you looking for some cool ways to repurpose old car tires? You can even make money by selling recycled tire projects and make profit. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and reducing waste, repurposing old car tires has emerged as a practical and environmentally friendly solution. Each year, millions of tires are discarded, contributing to the growing problem of landfill waste. However, instead of tossing these rubber relics away, creative minds are finding innovative ways to give them a second life. One of the most significant benefits of repurposing old tires is the reduction of waste in landfills. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, approximately 300 million tires are discarded in the United States each year. When tires are thrown away, they can take up to 1,000 years to decompose. By repurposing them, we can drastically reduce the volume of waste generated and extend the lifespan of landfills. Repurposing tires conserves valuable resources that would otherwise be used to manufacture new materials. The production of tires requires significant amounts of raw materials, energy, and water. By using existing tires, we decrease the demand for these resources, contributing to a more sustainable economy. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of creative car tire repurposing ideas or car tire recycling ideas to make money fast. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of manufacturing new tires involves substantial carbon emissions. By repurposing old tires, we can lower the overall carbon footprint associated with tire production. This is especially crucial as climate change continues to pose significant threats to our planet. Every tire repurposed is one less tire that needs to be produced, reducing greenhouse gas emissions in the process. Old tires can pose various environmental hazards if not disposed of properly. They can accumulate water, creating breeding grounds for mosquitoes and other pests. Moreover, if tires are set ablaze, the resulting fires can release toxic chemicals into the air and soil. Repurposing tires mitigates these risks, ensuring they are not left to harm the environment. Old tires can be transformed into beautiful and functional garden elements. Here are some creative ideas. Planters. Tires can be painted and filled with soil to create unique planters for flowers, herbs, or vegetables. This not only adds color to a garden, but also provides a creative way to utilize space. Raised garden beds. Stacking tires can create raised garden beds, which improve drainage and soil quality, making them ideal for growing various plants. Garden edging. Used tires can serve as effective garden edging, providing a rustic look while helping to keep soil and mulch in place. Repurposing tires for playgrounds is a popular and effective way to provide safe and engaging play areas for children. Some ideas include swings and climbing structures. Tires can be hung from trees or frames to create swings or used to build climbing structures that encourage physical activity and imaginative play. Obstacle courses. Arranging tires in various configurations can create fun obstacle courses that improve children's coordination and balance. Old tires can be creatively transformed into stylish and functional furniture pieces. Some examples include ottomans and coffee tables. Tires can be wrapped in rope or fabric to create unique ottomans or coffee tables for outdoor or indoor use. Chairs and benches. Stacking and securing tires can create comfortable seating options for gardens, patios, or decks. Artists and DIY enthusiasts have found countless ways to use old tires in their creations. From sculptures to wall art, the possibilities are endless. Sculptures. Tires can be cut and shaped into various forms to create eye-catching sculptures for gardens or public spaces. Wall art, painted tires can be hung on walls or fences to create vibrant, colorful displays. By repurposing tires instead of burning or dumping them, we can help maintain cleaner air. Tire fires release harmful pollutants, including volatile organic compounds and particulate matter, which can contribute to respiratory issues and other health problems. Repurposing keeps tires out of landfills and prevents them from being set ablaze, ultimately improving air quality. Repurposed tires in playgrounds and fitness areas encourage outdoor play and physical activity. Engaging with tire-based equipment, such as climbing structures or obstacle courses, promotes exercise and helps combat obesity and related health issues among children and adults. Gardening and spending time outdoors have been shown to improve mental health. By repurposing tires into garden elements or playgrounds, we create spaces that foster relaxation, creativity, and social interaction, all of which contribute to better mental well-being. The repurposing industry can create jobs in various sectors, including manufacturing, design, and landscaping. As more businesses focus on sustainability, the demand for professionals skilled in repurposing and recycling materials grows, helping to stimulate local economies. Repurposing old tires can be a cost-effective solution for various projects. For individuals and businesses, using repurposed materials can significantly reduce costs compared to purchasing new materials. For example, creating playground equipment or garden features from tires can be much cheaper than traditional options. Community initiatives focused on repurposing tires can foster local economies. Farmers markets, community gardens, and local art projects that utilize repurposed tires can attract visitors and promote local businesses. Additionally, workshops and classes teaching tire repurposing skills can empower community members and enhance local engagement. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative car tire repurposing ideas or car tire recycling ideas to make money fast. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.